Hi everyone, my name is Brad Seal and I am a job seeker just like millions of other people out there today. And I am doing a series called Know Your Job Seeker, where I take the numerous personality and career assessments I've taken over the years and given over the years and find out what they say about me, whether it's accurate or not, and how they deliver their information. And today I am reviewing the High Five Strength Assessment. Bop. So the High Five Strength Assessment supposedly is a blend of two different models of assessment. You have the theoretical model, which is the broad-based, kind of general, but it can be used over a big population of people. And then you have the empirical model, which is much more useful for a specific situation. And according to the High Five, they take the best of both models and blend them together. Now, whether they do this or not, I have no idea, but I can tell you what it does do. When you take the High Five assessment, it gives you a statement, and then you either agree or disagree with the statement. Highly agree, highly disagree, somewhere in the middle, and it just gives you multiple statements that you either agree or disagree with. And as you are answering these statements, it is trying to figure out a pattern in the way your answers tell it what your perceived strengths are in 5 different areas. Hey, it's in 5 different areas. It's called the High Five. Hey, look at that. We've just solved the matrix. Okay, I digress. The 5 areas that they are looking for. Number 1, you feel natural using this ability. Number 2, you get positive energy when using this strength that you supposedly have. Number 3, others also see it as a strength. That's a big one, right? People also have to see this as a strength in you. Number 4, it goes along with your values as a strength. And number 5, it satisfies your needs. You feel satisfied when you use it. So there is a list of 20 different strengths that it chooses from when you're done taking this assessment, and it gives you the top 5 out of these 20. Now I'm going to list off the 20 real quick here. You have analyst, you have believer, you have brainstormer, catalyst, chameleon, coach, deliverer, empathizer, focus expert, optimist, peacekeeper, philomath, lover of learning, problem solver, self-believer, storyteller, strategist, thinker, timekeeper, and winner. So you get the top 5 listed for you. I think if you pay, you can get all 20 listed, but the free version gives you the top 5. So I took this and it gave me these 5. Storyteller, communicator. Deliverer, you don't flake out on people. When you say you're going to do something, you deliver it. Coach, develop potential. Commander, taking charge when needed. And thinker, deep thinker, meaningful conversations, etc., etc. So, do I see myself in these strengths? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'm definitely a coach. I'm in learning and development. You should totally hire me. I'm a coach. Commander, take charge. Yes, I can do that. Definitely a deep thinker sometimes. Deliver, I hate flaking out on people. So anyway, the point is, yes, I definitely see myself as these 5 strengths. The problem is I also see myself as about 10 other strengths that are listed on there. And there's where I run into my issue with this assessment, is that I almost feel like it reads like a horoscope, where you read Leo and you go, oh yeah, I totally do that. I totally like a Leo in my horoscope. Oh, wait a minute, there's Gemini. I actually can see myself in that as well. It's just general enough that you can see pieces of yourself in almost all of these strengths. So that's my issue with it. But what I really like about the High Five is that you can actually have other people take the test as you, as they perceive you, and share their strengths that they get listed with you, which is really cool because sometimes we wear different hats depending on our situation. How you are with your friends may not be the same way you are at work. And so being able to have your teammates or employees or friends, whatever, take this with you as they perceive you, and then share how they perceive you, I think that can really help in personal growth. So I actually did this and had my girlfriend take it as me, and she came up with these 5 strengths: thinker, philomath, analyst, storyteller, self-believer. So we only have 2 that were cutting across the plane there as I saw myself and as she saw me. The others are a little different. So this is a really interesting conversation that we can have as to how she sees me, why I see me one way, how she sees me the other. Do I just have to fill in some spaces in our relationship because she's more of one way and I just fill in that space? It's worth a discussion. So I really like that part of it. So in conclusion, it's a fun test to take, especially among friends, among teammates, because you can use that ability to take the test as others perceive you and share the results. Now, as you take it, just like a lot of these other ones, you're really going to need a follow-up discussion because I don't know how accurate this is. My 5 strengths might be the same today if I took it again. It also might have a few others. They might have switched places. There might be 2 others that snuck in there. So I don't know. You're going to have a follow-up discussion to find out whether those are really accurate descriptors of you as others perceive you, or as maybe there's something else that snuck in there that you need to be aware of. And that is my review of the High 5 Strength Assessment. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email, shoot me a message on LinkedIn, whatever you need to do. If you have a job you want to hire me for, please get in touch with me. And with that, I hope you have a wonderful day.